Hallo, herzlich willkommen. German word order, our current topic. Some of you have questions about this, and we have a specific example. I have a lot of homework tonight. What we're going to do is translate this to German, break it down into its different elements, and we are going to see how many different ways we can arrange those elements according to the basic rule of German word order, which is the verb is always the second element in a statement. So keep that in mind. That's really important. The second element must always be the verb. Other than that, you can rearrange the other elements however you like. Let's take a look at our elements. So here we have the translation of these elements of that example. I, habe, have, heute Abend, tonight, and viele Hausaufgaben, a lot of homework. So let's go ahead and start with the standard word order, which is subject, verb, object. So subject, ich, conjugated verb, habe, and next we'll go with the adverb, which is heute Abend. And then the last piece is a lot of homework. Viele Hausaufgaben. Okay. And let me make this a little smaller so that it fits in one line. Okay, so ich habe heute Abend viele Hausaufgaben. So notice first position is the subject, second position is the verb, the conjugated verb. That's where it always must be, no matter what. Then we have heute Abend, tonight, and then viele Hausaufgaben. So let's try it a different way. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the heute Abend. So tonight, and remember that normally what goes in the first position is what you want to emphasize. So the first statement here, ich habe heute Abend viele Hausaufgaben, is like saying, I have a lot of homework tonight. We're emphasizing the I. So this next example here, we want to say in German, tonight I have a lot of homework. We're emphasizing the tonight, so that's why we put it in the first position. Heute Abend. So second position must always be that conjugated verb, that verb there. So heute Abend habe. Now the subject pronoun must stay with the verb. So that would be the next element. Habe ich. Heute Abend habe ich. So tonight have I, and then the last element, viele Aufgaben. Okay, so notice verb second position, verb second position. Now we have one other element, and that's the viele Hausaufgaben. So we can go ahead and start with that. That's the direct object, a lot of homework. It's what I have, right? I have a lot of homework. What you have is the direct object, so viele Hausaufgaben, first element. The verb must always be in the second position, so we're obliged to put habe there. So viele Hausaufgaben habe ich, and then the last element, heute Abend. And there you have it. Those are the three different ways that we can arrange the elements from the sentence, from our example sentence. And notice that conjugated verb, the verb in the statement, is always second position. So remember that rule, and you will do well in the future putting German sentences together, statements that is. Keep the conjugated verb in the second position. Okay, das ist alles.